Today we're gonna make the currywurst. And today we're gonna make the currywurst, the curry ketchup from scratch. Welcome back, everybody. It is a special day. It is German dinner day. Actually, it's German food day. When we lived in Germany, we overlooked a lot of things. We didn't appreciate what we had access to. Even in the subsequent trips, it's kind of like you took it for granted, but COVID has reset that. So today, I am recreating a good German food day for me. We're gonna do the most popular food, street food in all of Germany. Almost 1 billion units sold per year. It's currywurst sausage. So we're gonna do that from scratch, and we're gonna show you a shortcut. We're gonna do potato salad with that. Now, usually when you get currywurst in Germany, especially in Berlin, you get French fries as a side. I don't want to do fries, I want to do potato salad because that's what I like, and I know that's what you like too. We get fries anywhere, but a good German potato salad, now we're talking. And we're gonna finish this thing off with an apple cake. Special apple cake, because I got the recipe from Alex Guarnaschelli and I can't wait to try it. So shout out to Alex, thanks. Call us. We'll talk soon. Okay, let's just get going. I'm done. I need a beer. We got to cook. So I am going to use Beer Brats. We're also going to try it with some hardwood smoked turkey. This is a little bit more healthy. This is probably going to taste better. But this is the easy part. It's actually the curry ketchup or the currywurst sauce that can be a challenge. Now, we are going to make our own currywurst. Please do not use the powder that you find in the grocery market. You will not be happy. Germany will not be happy. No one's gonna like it. If you have to, if making currywurst or curry ketchup is too much, buy it like this. You know, Brooklyn Deli curry ketchup. It says right on here, brats, burgers, French fries, grilled cheese, eggs, pretty much anything you put ketchup on. This is a nice replica. And I like what they did here. Brooklyn Deli, right? Like instead of, you know, you get it. Nice play on words. But just know that this is an option. No dried powder, please. So right behind here, I've already put all of our ingredients out. So we're gonna get right to work here. Let's get our curry going. And make sure we got enough beer for this. Okay, so let's go over what we need here. Thankfully, they're all very easily obtainable in any supermarket of your choice. Do you feel a little buzz? I was moving around a little bit there. Okay. So we have minced garlic, 2 cloves. We minced them up ourselves. You can buy it minced if you like. 1 diced onion. Then we have here a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Canola oil is fine. Grapeseed oil is fine. We have yellow curry powder. This is yellow is the mild, 2 tablespoons. We have Worcestershire sauce. However you say it is fine. You need 2 teaspoons. Hungarian sweet paprika. So that's 2 teaspoons of that. And then our good old friend white wine vinegar. You may also choose to use apple cider vinegar if you wish, 3 tablespoons. We also have coarse salt, 2 tablespoons of that, half a cup of dark brown sugar, some spicy mustard. You could use yellow if you like. I like the ground seed. I like a little bit of spice in there, 1 teaspoon, and 1 cup of the best either organic ketchup or the ketchup with the flavor that you like the most. 1 cup of that. So let's get started. We're just going to saute up some things here real quick. All right, so we need this at like a medium heat. We want to saute the stuff and not burn it. It's looking good about there. First thing we're going to do is get our oil in the pan and get it heated up. do is get these onions in here and saute them until they're soft. Don't want them to overcook. We don't want them to brown. You know, if you don't pre-prep your ingredients, now is probably a good time to start mincing your garlic.
Be sure to hit subscribe and that notification bell so that you can join Cam on these items next Wednesday.
We see some of them are starting to turn brown, so what we're going to do is lower our heat down to a low setting. It's still enough where you can kind of hear them cooking. Again, we don't want these browns. We want them translucent and soft. All right, so now we add the garlic. We don't want the garlic to burn or overcook because it gets bitter. That's why we added it on the low heat. We'll give this a quick stir. And at this point, we also add the curry powder. Oh, does that smell great. Oh boy. And we're not trying to toast the spices, but we do like to heat them up to kind of get more of the aromatics and the flavor out of them. Wow, can you smell this? Oh boy. You know, it looks a little dry in there. It's okay. Now what we'll do is add in our ketchup. Again, this is 1 cup of organic ketchup. You know, Heinz, whatever you want to use is fine. But we like to get the best possible ketchup for this because it's our end product. We're just going to stir this until it's a gentle simmer. It's a little high. Let me turn the heat down here. You guys could smell this. I know it doesn't look great at the moment, but if you could just smell this, you'd understand what we're going through. Get all the curry right off the bottom. Looking good, looking good. Basically, this low heat is just releasing all of the flavor, melding it all together. In the pool, vinegar, brown sugar. Break that up. The brown sugar is always a little bit more tightly wound because of the molasses in there. Give that a quick spin just so it doesn't burn. But we're not looking to fully incorporate it yet. Worcestershire sauce. In. Go with the salt. This is a coarse salt. Paprika, Hungarian sweet paprika. Now we got this when we went to Budapest, but you can get it in your supermarket. It's probably the same stuff. We know it's the same stuff. It's nice to bring home souvenirs that are local. Budapest, beautiful city. But we are making curry sauce here for our currywurst. German street food. Well, everybody kind of eats it, but you know. Let's get that mustard in there. Let's turn our heat down here. We don't want this burning. We're not looking to make caramel today. Should be nice and thick, just the way it looks. Right now you might be saying, gee, that doesn't look like a curry ketchup. Don't worry, we're going to throw it in the blender here in a few moments and really get all of the garlic and the onions broken down into more of a puree. And then we'll be ready to heat up the bratwurst and the turkey sausage and see what we got, see which one's better. Oh, and you could store this in the refrigerator. It's probably good for a month or so in an airtight container. But we're going to pull this off, get it into the blender, then let it cool and get ready to enjoy. All right, the moment of truth. We have our KitchenAid blender. Love this blender. Makes great mixed drinks and frozen margaritas. And now it's going to serve us once again and help us make curry sauce for our currywurst. Pull this off the heat. Let's go ahead and blend this up. You know something, guys? That work really wasn't hard at all. It looks great. I'm going to let this cool off and then we'll cap it after it's... I just want to keep on putting a spoon in there. It's got such a nice spice. Oh man, I can't wait to get those brats going. This is going to be a pretty epic day of eating. Probably going to need plenty of time and maybe an expandable waist pant. But looking forward to it. I know you're looking forward to it too. So let's move on. Let's do some other stuff. All right, friends, we're outside now. I'm actually going to cook the bratwurst and the turkey sausage on the grill because it's a nice day out and we can. If you can't, just add a little liquid to a pan inside of the house and you can cook them on the stove top. But anyway, here we have bratwurst, Johnsonville. So it's pork sausage made with beer, so it's a beer brat. And this is a butterball hardwood smoked turkey sausage. We're just going to try them both out. Here we go. Let's get them on the grill. So we're going to leave them on there for probably 6 to 8 minutes, but we're going to roll them every once in a while, just like you would cook any other hot dog. In fact, you can use hot dogs with this recipe. We just had a taste for bratwurst, so here we go. Also, disclaimer, the 6 to 8 minutes, we're using pre-cooked bratwurst and sausage. If yours is not pre-cooked, follow the directions on the package. This one, we're just warming it up and we want to get those grill marks, maybe almost to the point where it's a little bit crispy, which isn't traditional, but that's the way we like it. So as you can see, we have some visitors back there. They came over to see what was happening. They're probably expecting bread or something, but we don't have any. We're not doing hot dogs today. All right, well, let's get back to the bratwurst and the sausage. There. That's looking good. I'm just going to leave them for a couple more minutes to make sure that they're heated all the way through, but I'm pretty sure we're good. Really pretty excited about those. One of the great things about this dish is that you could eat that currywurst sausage any way you like. Put it in a bun, you could leave it whole, you could put the curry sauce right on top, the curry ketchup right on top of it, you can put it on the side and dip it, you can slice the sausage up and cover it. There's just so many different ways to do it. All right, Beer Brat, let's give it a try. Wow. Might have to move to Germany and open a stand. This is good. Wow. All right, well, let's try the other one, the turkey sausage. The spice is just so nice. The beer in the brat, unbelievable. It's not a bad bun either, nice and soft. All right, now let's get a try of the turkey sausage with the curry on there. Curry ketchup, sorry. That's pretty good. I like the smoke is kind of complementing the heat of the curry ketchup. It's actually really a lot more flavorful than I thought it was going to be. Now the smaller bratwurst cooked in beer, that's around 7 grams of saturated fat per sausage. If you don't want to hear this, turn your volume down real quick. But the smoked turkey sausage, for that big, huge link, was only about 4.5 grams. So am I willing to sacrifice just a little bit of flavor for a more healthy meal? Yes, but only sometimes. Either way, we are going to make sure that we finish all of the beer brats that we bought and all of the turkey sausage in various different ways, but mostly with curry ketchup. The only thing left to do now is to have some cake. Apple cake. We're gonna hand make the curry. Wait, scratch. Today we're gonna make the currywurst. And we're also going to do the store way. Today we're going to make currywurst from scratch, or at least a curry ketchup from scratch. And today we're going to make the currywurst, the curry ketchup from scratch. So, yeah. Anybody know how to say the German word for potato salad? Kartoffelsalat? I think I said that right. How about grandma? Oma? Man, foreign language is tough. We were just having ourselves a little bit of German beer here. And beer here. Get your beer here.
And the bases loaded threat. There it goes. Long drive and a grand slam. Upper deck for Mattingly.
Missed the live sporting events. So